our 2-door chest freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, 76 inches. A depth of 28 inches. And a height of 32.5 inches tall. Coming to the inside of the chest freezer will be 2 baskets. Each basket can be removed and inserted back onto the track. The baskets can go either on the left or right side, and the measurements for each basket will include 10.5 inches in length by 19.25 inches in depth, and a height of 8.75 inches. Measurements apply for each of the 2 baskets. Also included will be a set of caster wheels that can be mounted beneath the chest freezer. Measurements for each caster wheel, we have 2.5 inches in height, with the bracket measuring 2.25 inches in length by 2.25 inches in depth. You will receive 6 caster wheels. Also included will be a thermometer that will be included with this chest freezer. Interior dimensions for the chest freezer, we have 72 inches in length by 21 inches in depth, and a height of 23.75 inches. Also included will be a set of keys for your left and right lock. Coming to the right bottom will be the temperature gauge along with the power and run indicator. And this unit will use a 110-120 voltage plug. Coming to the back of the chest freezer will be the ETL certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.